Welcome to Visitor Investment. Our bulls back in for Nifty 50. If you don't know Nifty has been seeing a very good rally. Yesterday has been on a rally because part of it was US, India, and UK. So US and Iran have officially signed a peace agreement, but there were some flaws in the peace agreement. There were no mention about nuclear deal, and that is why Nasdaq was that is why war was extended a lot, and why there was no and that is why main purpose why US attacked Iran. But however, now you look at now you look there's no still talk about you know Iran deal. Iran US deal. I didn't open that page, so I'm just telling it right here. There was no talk about US deal in. There was no talk about what do I say nuclear. It was main thing what concerned me was the $25 release of frozen assets and the $300 plan of reconstruction fund, and that actually bothered me a bit. uh, you know that has actually bothered me a bit because you are paying money out of US tax. That means your war, whatever objective had the war, has flopped. You added $2 trillion to your debt, and you had a $2 trillion to your debt, and and uh, and you have taken US American citizens tax money. So that is what my concern was, and you're giving back the terrorism money which you strongly oppose terrorism against Iran, and now you are going with Iran for it. So that is what the market was just selling. Nasdaq was just celebrating, peace deal is happening, but that is a point to be noted that $300 billion reconstruction fund, and uh, and what was that unfrozen assets, because that will be you froze those assets because Iran was using money funding terrorism. So now the main topic, US in there's a lot of trade deal happening. Yesterday Trump saying India and US have trade deal has been almost been reached. EU and India trade deal is supposed to be inked by year end, and UK India trade deal. First of all, there's always a talk about trade deal. Every time I see a trade deal, but there is nothing benefits any trade deal which benefits in the side. Of course, market would react to anything positive news. They just market just reacts to headline. That's it, but they do not see the outcome of it. If you look at the bull run which happened on when India US trade deal. The trade deal didn't go what you got the trade deal. Market just reacted to that, but it wasn't favoring your what India want, and that is what led to this crash. And now still UK EU trade deal. There was so much hype around it around Jan 2026, I believe. Jan 2026, and UK trade deal I think was announced around November December 2025. It's going to be taken at July 2015. But like we have been hearing all news about it, trade deal will be reached, trade deal will be, and now we are going to sign it. I thought trade deal was already in effect, and my market was hyping it up. Always we see every time when I see news about an investment, it's we are planning, but the plan goes on till years. That is what we saw at US deal, that is what we saw in US deal, and what that is what we saw in UK deal as well. So I just wanted to stop on that. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.